My name's Johnny Hyde. My business name is Architecture, and we're residential architects in Brisbane. Architecture's been operating for about 3.5 years now. I used to be at another residential firm in Brisbane, but just decided to go on my own and have a crack and see how it ends up, and so far so good, so touch wood. A lot of architecture is about problem solving, which I really like. It's multifaceted. Like, there's a lot of different links in the chain to design a house, from town planning to material selection to sustainability to a whole lot of factors, and it's kind of a lot of fun being across all those things, but then also dealing with clients and understanding what they want and what they need out of a house, and trying to create spaces and homes that they'll want to live in and they'll live in for a while and really enjoy, and their families will grow up in. And started working with Kenny a few years ago on a project, and his passion definitely resonated with me. Like, there was no problems too hard to solve together. His attention to detail and workmanship and his guys on site were great to deal with as well. And so from that first project, sort of the next time I had to do some standing seams, some different roof designs, got in touch with Kenny, had a chat about it, we worked out some details, and he really understood the level of aesthetic and execution that we wanted to achieve on that job. And then so subsequently, when we had other jobs to sort of bring some cladding guys into some standing seam work, just reached out to Kenny, and we've just developed that relationship since then, and the MyCladders guys have always sort of delivered. What I love about working with MyCladders, it's just the ease. Like, you give them a call, you talk about some projects. Like, we don't do anything that's atypical, so it's always a little bit sort of different, or we're trying to push some ideas. So that partnership of sort of asking the question, working it out together has been great. He's obviously got access to a lot of great products, Colorbond products, which is great. Colours and stuff, we can work with clients, workshop that. He's just easy to deal with, delivers a good product, and Biggest things that working with MyCladders has allowed me to do is really push the envelope on some of the ideas and details that we're trying to achieve from an aesthetic perspective, and also functional perspective with how roofs come together. We obviously get a lot of rain in Queensland, so architects can come up with some different ideas that need to sort of be grounded in reality and work properly. So that's been a great sort of like collaboration. So from my experience with working with Kenny, I would definitely recommend him to family, friends, clients. What he delivers, his product is great, his workmanship's great to deal with. So I would definitely recommend Kenny and MyCladders.